channel Tarot Reading with Shaista. Capricorn, hi. This is going to be a reading for you from October 26th to the 2nd of November 2020. I shall be taking a look at your recent past, your current energies, and your immediate future today. I will then close the reading off by pulling out an oracle card for you from this pile here, which will serve as a message for you from the universe. The decks I'm using here today is the Barbara Moore Tarot deck, which is called the Steampunk Tarot, and the Oracle deck I'm using today for you will be the Spirit Animal Oracle deck by Colette Baron Reid. Okay, there's something I want to share with you, which I always do. Please remember that these are general readings, so they may not always resonate with all of you. They could be for you, your person, the situation you're dealing with, basically your vice versa energies perhaps for some of you who are cross-watching. So just take in what resonates with you and let the rest go, okay? If you want a personal reading with me and you want more information on that, the charges, the prices, whatever, just feel free to email me. I have mentioned my email ID for you in the description box below. All right, so let's start off with Capricorn for the week 26th October to 2nd November 2020. Capricorn. All right, whatever you're dealing with right now, Capricorn, is happening really fast. With the Eight of Wands here, which serves as an overall card for your energy here as a reading, you have the Eight of Wands, which talks about speed, quickness, something moving really fast, coming on really fast, okay? Let's see how and where this resonates. Now, in the recent past, you have the Hermit, the Eight of Cups, and the Empress. So you did go through some kind of a phase in the past where you kind of started looking within, you were into introspection, trying to look at a different perspective when it came to a problem. You kind of went into this reclusive mode. Some of you were probably dealing with another earth sign and decided to just move away from a situation which kind of gave you more stability, in fact, and a lot of strength. Okay, so you did that and it kind of worked for you. It wasn't something, it kind of made a very strong you, Capricorn. Okay, in the current situation, I see that you are balancing between two things. Okay, you have an opinion, you probably want to share this, but you are someone who just speaks your mind, and when you put things across, you put it across in black and white. So you may be sounding very aggressive for someone, but that's your reality, and that's how you're coming across as the Knight of Swords. So you will weigh this, but you will say what is right. You've always been like that. You kind of weigh things very neutrally, and then when you speak your mind, and that's something which kind of resonates with people who know you. I also see something coming towards you, something emotional. It could be a connection, it could be a relationship, definitely something moving towards you. And this could be something very fast with the Eight of Wands right here. You are probably a little alone. You're probably missing someone, a loved one perhaps, and I see you hearing from them, or I see them coming to you. I definitely see something happening here, someone visiting you, and that's going to happen very fast. Okay, in the immediate future, I see the King of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles, and the Ace of Swords. Again, with the Ace of Swords coming here, it's very clear that the kind of decisions you've always made, you are someone who's probably looked at with a lot of regard in your family. You probably handle your finances in your family. People look up to you for investments, advice, money matters, paperwork. They kind of depend on you on a lot of things, and I see that you continue to do that role very well. and you have been in a position to help so many because of that kind of an quality in you. And that's also probably because you're very established financially, and you have you have a name. It's not just having a name, you have kept that position going for a very long time, and you continue to earn that respect. So I think with the King of Pentacles here and the Six of Pentacles, it shows me that you are in a situation to help more people. Okay, and with your clarity in your words, you've always been very clear, focused, and I think that's something that you're going to continue to do, and that's going to open up more doors and more avenues for you. Perhaps at work, perhaps with your relationships, it's just going to get better and better. I think you'll get even more open about these things. All right, so I see that happening for you, Capricorn. Let's see what the universe has to say for you for this week of October 26th to the 2nd of November. Let's see what the message from the universe is for you. So Capricorn, what's happening with Capricorn in the week 26th to the 2nd of November 2020? Message from the universe for Capricorns. Okay, it says the time to heal. You definitely have some insecurities about some people in your life. You don't trust very easily. It's telling you to let go. Okay, somewhere you're someone who kind of forgives, I rather say forgives, because you have that softness which people don't see. You don't come across as somebody with a soft heart, but you do have a soft heart. You forgive, but the issue is you don't forget. So it's telling you to heal old wounds, because that will help you move on and close some barriers that you've created in certain relationships along the way. Okay, so it's advising you to do that. I also see the Hawk spirit, which says, let spirits be your guide. You're not a religious person at all, okay, but you're very spiritual. You do have a lot of inner strength. So it's telling you to believe in that inner spirit of yours, that spirit that guides you. Perhaps you look up to someone who's not here with you, perhaps a parent, someone who gives you that inner strength. So it's telling you to let that spirit guide be your guide. Okay, let them help you decide when you're making those decisions. I also have the Elephant spirit for you, which says that learn from your past, learn from the mistakes you made. This card also says forgive those mistakes and forget those mistakes. Not just about forgiving, you need to forget and move on. So that's what I have for you as a message from the universe for you, Capricorn. And that's for this week of 26th October to the 2nd of November. Now I see you next week. Till then, take care and stay safe.